How to drive? Driving on of the most useful skill in the world. Before you begin to drive, remember that driving is a privilege, no a right, and you should learn not to be a responsible driver before you put your key in ignition. A lot of rule and regulation of driving can feel overwhelming, but if you take them one step at a time, you'll be a pro and trade in no team. Don't to find out to drive. Getting started. Learn the driving rule for your location. Before you get a permit, it's important to be aware of the rule of driving. The basic safety precaution you should take a responsible driver. It's much more advisable to learn the rule before you get blind well so you don't wing it and make mistake as you go along. Read the driver handbook provided by the DMV or your local department to regulate driving en automobile. If you do no learn the rule, you won't be able to get your permit. Some basic rule en common sense safety precaution ta everyone should know include, stopping for pedestrian, obeying traffic sign, staying within the speed limit, and wearing your seatbelt. Get your permit. Your permit will allow you to drive with adult supervision en a curve. Learn your state laws. What age you need to be to apply for a permit, typically between the age of 14 and 18, and why you need to do to get it. There are some general guidelines. If you're a minor, you'll need signature of your parent or guardian. You'll have to pass a written test about driving rule en regulation en safety on the road. Some jurisdictions will require a certain behavior of blind well driver education in order to get your license. If you are still in school, most will have a class in driver education. Practice driving. Once you have your permit, you need to hone your driving skill. Before you take your current. Anyway, you need to practice getting comfortable blind well. Take it on a day at a time and be patient. Nobody a perfect driver at first. There are some tips. Practice with an adult you trust. Drive with a responsible driver of the age of 21 who can guide you and give you advice without getting frustrated. Practice in an isolated and safe location, such as anti-parking law on the vehicle. It will help you understand where your car accelerate, how your brake work, and how to generally maneuver your car. A car is different. Important to get a feel for what make your car unique. Preparing to drive safely. Make the proper adjustment. Before you start driving, it's important to adjust your mirror and see so that you are ready for the road. Don't before you drive instead of while you're driving will ensure that you're ben safe and focused. What to do? Check your rear view side mirror and make any necessary adjustment. Make sure you have a good view of the car. It side en blind you. Do not adjust your mirror while driving, it can be far too distracting. Make sure you and your car are ready to go. Before you put your hands on the wheel, it's important that your body and car are ready to venture out onto the road. What you should do. Fasten your seatbelt. Depending on where you live, try most likely a lot to require you wear a seatbelt. No only will you get cited for breaking the rule, but your chance of injury and fatality during a collision also increases exponentially. Check your dashboard. Make sure your car is ready to drive and that there are no alarming lights to signal that your car need to be taken to the shop. Adjust your seat, making sure you can comfortably ride the pedal on the road. Minimize distraction. To be safe, you should minimize any distraction before you put your foot to the pedal. Eliminate any obstacle that will keep you from focusing on the road. There are some tips. Put away your cell phone. Don't get blind well if you're in the middle of an intense texting session with your best friend. Finished conversation by saying you're going to drive on will talk. You can even turn off your phone if you're prone to distraction. Turn down your music. Put on something soothing and relaxing to get you focused. If you need to brush your hair or put on makeup, don't know that you will driving get everything you need to do done before you put a key in ignition. Driving en automatic car. Start your car. To start your car, you have to follow a few steps in the right order. Why you do. Roll your emergency brake. Puis your foot on the brake. Puis your key in ignition on turn it. You should it turning on. Place your car into gear. Since you are learning on automatic, T will it D, drive or, R, reverse, depending on how you are parked. If you're driving forward, you should put your car in drive. If you're driving backward, in order to back out of a driveway or a parking spot, your car should be in reverse. If reversing, first check your rear view mirror and then place your on the passenger side you turn your right to look behind you. Take your foot off the brake and felt car move. Congratulations, you are driving a car. Slowly apply your foot to get to accelerate. Accelerate your car. You should accelerate your car to reach speed limit in your neighborhood. If you want. Anyway, you should be aware of the speed limit with the flow of traffic. If all the car around you are going much slow at the speed limit due to traffic, drive accordingly to avoid crashing. Un totem. If all of the car around you are driving much fast at the speed limit, you don't have to break the law, but you can accelerate a bit so you don't slow the flow down too much. Remember that driving too slow can be just as dangerous as driving too fast. Accelerate your car calmly. Don't push your foot too hard on the gas or you may go much faster than you intended. No. Take a eye on acceleration rate. Stay your car properly. Proper steering technique will make your driving experience smooth and will help you avoid collision. Steering your car the right way can help you turn en position in your car in the most convenient way. Are some tips for good steering. Make sure to have buttons on the wheel. Place your hands at 8 or 4 o'clock, or slightly à 9 or 3 o'clock, depending on your preference. At position, you can safely maneuver the wheel and are prevented from making an sharp turn. When making a turn, pull the not side of the wheel you wish to turn toward and push up with opposite hand. T.I. Cal push steering. To make a sharp turn at low speed, usant over en turning. To doti, perform a push pull turn by bring your pull over your push in order to continue moving at the wheel in the desired direction. 2. Understand your brake. You should know how long it takes for your car to reach a full and complete stop when traveling at various speed. Always drive at least a car long blunt car in front of you. If you have to make a fast stop, you don't want to crash into the front car. When traveling at a fast speed, you will need even more than one car length in order to come safely to a stop, so understand and observe the 2 second rule, which states that you should be at least 2 seconds behind a car directly in front of you to keep a safe following distance. Take vite en rade condition into a coin. Trino to stop suddenly unless emergency. Sudden stop can lead to vehicle blind you plowing into your rear. Signal appropriately. Remember that person in the car blind you can read your mind. They don't know which direction you are going to move unless you signal. You should signal in the following situation. 3. You approach the last sans fait, 30.5 m, before your turning. Let a right turn. Before you change lane, be sure that you signal at least 5 seconds prior. Before pulling into or out from a curbside parking spot. when changing direction. Use your light. Your car light can help you see more clearly en voie de danger. You should use them when it's dark, raining, or foggy. A general rule of thumb if you have to ask yourself, should my light bon right no? Then way always. Check the car on the road. If most of them turn their light on, flick your on to. Remember that some car have light that automatically turn on and off under certain conditions. If you don't have on off the type of car, make sure to turn your light off when you park your car, or you may drain your battery. Use your wiper. Learn your windshield wiper work before the first drop of rainfall. You can adjust them to move back and forth at different speed depending on how terrain is falling. You can also use your wiper to carefully on your windshield to wipe off on either instant. Do not drive if your wiper are broken. Driving in a storm with two wiper is incredibly dangerous. Change lane like a pro. Follow the rule for properly and safely changing lane. A useful mnemonic device to follow it. SMOG, 4. S, signal to let car around you know you intend to change lane. M, check your mirror to stay it clear. O, check over the shoulder to again make sure that it is safe to proceed. G, go. Park your car correctly. After you've reached your destination, you'll need to turn off your engine and park your car safely. Draw to finish driving. Find a parking spot, and stop your car by putting your foot on the brake. Shift gear into park. Turn off your engine. Pull up your parking brake. If your lights are on, turn them off. Lock your car to prevent theft. Get out of the car and make sure it fits in its spot.